हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट हनीकॉम। आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 3। बिफोर यू रीड, हैव यू एवर रीड अ कॉमिक बुक? अ कॉमिक बुक कंटेन्स स्टोरीज टोल्ड mainly through pictures. गोपाल एंड द हिल्सा फिश। इस स्टोरी में क्या है मैं आपको बता रही थी, बाद में ये रीड करके आपको सुना दूँ। ओके, इन दिस स्टोरी it was a season of hilsa fish and fishermen, fishmongers and all in the kingdom were talking about it far and wide. Fishmongers were selling in the fish at lowest rate ever. देखो ये सबसे कम रेट में बेचता था. Even the countries could not help themselves talking about hilsa fish even before the king. The king was angry first, but later he regretted for losing his temper. Then he put the challenge openly if anybody could avoid talking about hilsa fish ever for 5 minutes. Buying the fish from the market, one had to come all the way to the palace and see that nobody talked about the fish in his hand. Gopal took up the challenge. He half shaved his beard, put on the tarot clothes and set out to the market. He bought hilsa fish and started walking along the road to the palace. Whoever saw him took him to be a crazy man and started talking about him instead of the hilsa fish in his hand. Finally he reached the palace. At the gate he was stopped by the gatekeepers. Gopal started dancing and singing loudly there. Finally he was called inside by the king. The king had already forgotten about the challenge. Gopal reminded him of the challenge. उस किंग ने जो चैलेंज दिया था वो भूल गए थे, लेकिन गोपाल को याद था. The king remembered it and congratulated Gopal for winning the challenge. Example, achieving the impossible. देखो जो चीज़ इम्पॉसिबल थी उसको इसने पॉसिबल करके दिखा दिया. देखो अभी देखते हैं इसमें. It was the season for hilsa fish. Fishermen could thinking of the nothing but hilsa fish. देखो मैंने बोला वो. Fishmongers sold nothing but hilsa fish. Come by, the price of the hilsa is down today. देखो अभी के में वो उसकी प्राइस डाउन थी. Householders could talk of anything but hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that hilsa? कितने पैसे दोगे इस हिल्सा के? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. अब बिलीव नहीं कर पाओगे. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge hilsa I caught it was. देखो तब राजा ने कहा था उससे, Stop it, बंद करो. Are you a quartering or a fisherman? राजा पूछ रहे हैं ऐसा. The quartering fell silent with the downcast eyes. The king felt guilt. देखो I am sorry I lost my temper. It is the season for the hilsa fish and no one. अभी किसकी सीजन है? हिल्सा फिश की. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. देखो. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Okay, Rai. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa, एकदम बड़ी सी हिल्सा, and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. राजा ने कहा था उसको बड़ी हिल्सा लेके उसको कहाँ आना है? पैलेस. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. देखो फिर उसने उनका चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट किया था, लेकिन वो चैलेंज किंग भूल गए थे, लेकिन उसको तो याद था. A few days later. Why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. देखो उसने कैसा ड्रेसिंग किया है? फिश जैसा. What's the matter with you? क्या हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ? Why are you smearing yourself with us? I told you I dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. देखो लिसन टू मी, सुनो प्लीज मेहरबानी करके. यू कांट पॉसिबली गो आउट इन दोज disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge हिस्सा फीस. देखो, हाउ मेनी टाइम, कितनी बार, मस्ट आई टेल यू, कितनी बार कहूँ. वो क्या करने वाला है, हिस्सा फीस एकदम बड़ी वाली है, उसको खरीदने वाला है. इट्स हैपन टू हिम, ही इज गॉन मैड. क्या ये पागल है, ऐसा वो कह रहा है, क्या हो गया इनको. गोपाल bought the हिस्सा फीस एंड स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द पैलेस. देखो वो कहाँ जाने लगा, पैलेस. मदर लुक, देख रही है माता. एट दैट मैन, आ रहा है वहां से. इजंट ही कॉमिकल, ही मस्ट बी अ मैडमैन. क्या ये पागल है. His hues, I think, is a majestic. When Gopal reached the court, कहाँ पहुंचा फिर. What do you want, क्या है. I want to see the king, मुझे किंग से मिलना है. You can't see the king, get away with you. तुम किंग से नहीं मिल सकते, चलो जाओ यहाँ से. गोपाल began to dance and singing loudly. वो फिर क्या करने लगा, वो जो खड़े थे ना यहाँ पे, वो उसको अंदर नहीं जाने देते, इसलिए उसने जोर जोर से गाना और डांस करना शुरू किया ताकि उसकी आवाज सुन के राजा बाहर आ जाए. इनसाइड द पैलेस, अंदर की साइड की बात कर रहे हैं. द मैन इज क्रेजी, क्या है मैन क्रेजी है. थ्रो हिम आउट एट वंस. आई वॉन्ट टू सी द किंग, लेट मी इन. वापस वो कह रहा है, किंग कह रहा है मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कौन है. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. उसको देखो याद है, your majesty. गोपाल was brought before the king. It's गोपाल. देखो फिर वो अंदर गया और राजा के साथ बात करने लगा. क्या लाया है, फिश वाला. The man has lost his mind. क्या इसने अपना दिमाग खो दिया है. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. क्या ये मजाक कर रहा है, जॉक्स कर रहा है. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? क्यों तुमने ऐसे ड्रेसअप किया है. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. क्या आप कुछ भूल गए हो. Forgotten something? King ऐसे कह रहा है, क्या. Strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in the Hisa feast today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. देखो फिश दिखा रहा है. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Haha, well Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. देखो फिर राजा ने उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस किया कि तुम ऐसे हो कि जिसने इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल कर दिया वापस एक बार. समझ में आ गया. ये कॉमिक बुक है, पिक्चर स्टोरी कहते हैं, सब पिक्चर्स दे के दिया होता है. ओके टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज करा दो पहले. वर्किंग विद द टेक्स्ट, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Why did the king want to more talk about the Hilsa feast? Everyone around the king was talking about Hilsa feast. This had infuriated the king, so he didn't want anyone to talk about the Hilsa feast. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to buy a huge Himself is from the market, and to ensure that no one should talk to him about the fish on the entire way from the market to the palace. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his hilsafis? Gopal half shaved his face, smeared as on his body, and wore rags before going out to buy a hilsafis. Chapter 4. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Gopal started singing and dancing in the front of the palace at a loud voice, observing his wide appearance and the strange behavior. The guards did not allow him to enter the palace, but when the king heard the noise, he ordered his men to bring the nuisance maker inside the palace. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in the talking about the hilsafis which Gopal had bought. No one was interested in talking about the hilsafis because the wide get-up of Gopal had diverted everybody's attention from the Hilsafis Gopal was wearing rags. His face was half shaved and ash was smeared over his body. People were more interested in his appearance than in the fish. Write true or false against each of the following sentences. The king lost his temper easily. True. Gopal was a made man. False. Gopal was a clever man. True. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False. The king got angry when he was shown to be a wrong. False. Okay. वर्किंग विद द लैंग्वेज दिया है, वो करते हैं हम लोग. Notice how in the comic book there are no speech marks when characters talk. Instead, why they say it put in the speech bubble. However, if we wish to repeat what they say, we must put it into repeated speech. Change the following sentences in the story to reported speech. The first one has been done for you. How much did you pay for that hilsa? यहाँ पे मैं दिया नहीं आंसर, उसके आंसर्स लिखने. सो फर्स्ट में क्या आएगा? The woman asked the man how much he had paid for that hillside. सेकंड में क्या दिया है? Why is your face half severed? Gopal's wife asked him. Gopal's wife asked him why his face was half severed. क्यों उसने आधा सेव करवाया था? थर्ड नंबर में क्या है? I accept the challenge, Your Majesty, Gopal told the king. Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge. I want to see the king, Gopal told the guards. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. Bring the man to me at once, the king ordered the guard. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. देख लो. टेक्स्ट बुक का सारा हमें इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में करना है. समझ में आया? वर्कबुक का मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कराऊंगी, बट इन टेक्स्ट बुक का तो आपको नोटबुक में कंपल्सरी लिखना ही है. Find out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Then use them in sentences of your own. Challenge, majesty, comical, courtier and smearing. इसके हमें बनाने हैं. So challenger में a call to take part in a contest of the competition. Vikram accepted the challenge of his teacher and won prize in the annual day celebration. फर्स्ट का किया, ये वर्ड का यूज करके करना है. Majestic, spiritual, oculate. The Sufi saint like Salim kissed it to wear majestic, comical, funny. Mrs. Bean is one of the most famous comical characters on television. Courtiers, a person who attends a royal court. As a companion or advisor to the king or queen, Birbal was one of the most important courtiers in the Akbar court. Spreading a soft sticky substance on a surface. The children were caught while they were smearing wood on the wall. ओके, तो टेक्स्ट बुक का चैप्टर, टेक्स्ट बुक में हमारा ऑलमोस्ट सब कंप्लीट हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वर्कबुक का करेंगे, वापस रिपीट कर रहे हो. टेक्स्ट बुक का कंपलसरी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है आप. अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, bye.